In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean, minimal author bio website in Chrome with a book showcase, newsletter signup, and book buying links. To begin, open Chrome and choose a clean, typography-focused personal bio template. The goal here is to start with a layout that feels simple, polished, and easy to read, since this type of site is centered around you and your published work. A minimal design usually works best. Look for a framework or theme that emphasizes readable fonts, generous spacing, and a balanced structure. A clutter-free style helps visitors focus on your writing, your books, and the actions you want them to take. Once you've selected the template, move on to creating a dedicated section for your books. This can be set up as an individual blog page or as a book gallery component, depending on how the template is organized. The important thing is to build a clear visual area where your published works can be displayed as a library or catalog. Arrange the sections so each book has room to stand out. If your platform allows different view layers or modules, choose one that presents your titles in a clean and organized format. This makes it easier for visitors to browse your work and quickly understand what you've published. Next, add a newsletter block or an email sign-up form in a prominent place near the top of the page layout. Positioning matters here. Placing it high on the page, inside the main canvas area, increases the chance that visitors will see it right away. This form is meant to capture reader interest while it's fresh, so make sure it feels visible and intentional rather than hidden at the bottom. Keep the surrounding layout neat so the sign-up area feels like a natural part of the page and not an afterthought. After that, add a clear button block that links directly to the external retail platforms where your books can be purchased. These links might point to major online bookstores or other sales marketplaces. The key is clarity. Your button should make it obvious that this is where someone can go to buy your books. Place it where it naturally supports the browsing experience, ideally close to your book gallery or featured titles, so readers can move from interest to action without confusion. Once everything looks right, save your work and publish the site. Before publishing, it's a good idea to quickly review the page for spacing, readability, and button placement, so the final result feels smooth and professional. After that, your author page will be live and ready to showcase your books, grow your subscribers,